jina lake Yesu. Ni tabibu wa karibu, tabibu wa ajabu, na rehema za daima, ni dawa yake njema. Imbeni, imbeni malaika, sifa za Yesu Bwana, pwekeli limetukuka jina lake Yesu. Hatufai kuwa hai wala hatutumai, ila kweli ndiye atupumzishaye. Imbeni malaika, sifa za Yesu Bwana, pwekeli limetukuka jina lake Yesu. Imbeni, imbeni malaika, sifa za Yesu Bwana, pwekeli limetukuka jina lake Yesu.
Bwana asifiwe. God is good and all the time, and that is his nature. Your Excellency the President, Your Excellency the First Lady, Your Excellency the Deputy President, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Speaker of both Houses, our Honorable MP Kimani Ichung'wah and family, and also our Governor. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you all so that we may start this service as we celebrate the life of our patriarch, Mzee Isaac Ichung'wah. Bwana asifiwe. And so you'll hand over the program to our Secretary General, and I will also want to take this opportunity to welcome our moderator of the General Assembly, together with the Secretary General and Deputy Secretary, and all the clergy present, and all the clergy present. Karibuni tunapoanza hii ibada. Secretary General.
Thank you so much, Reverend Kevin. Your Excellency,